Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix this problem. One, I want to download the LTX models. As you can see, it's locked by default. It's restricted by Hugging Face. As you can see, one I want to go here. Access to model is restricted. Okay, how to fix this problem? Okay, to fix this problem, we have to go here to LTX 2.5. When I go to files, okay, let's download, for example, the fusion model. Okay, this message is appeared. These files belong to gated model. We have to get the access to download this file. How to get this access to download this file? Okay, the simple way to do this, we have to go here and sign up to Hugging Face. Okay, let's sign up. Use any password as you want. Online. Let's take this one and hit create. Drag the character matching silhouette. This character. Let's verify. And now you have to verify your email. You have to go here, go to Gmail, use your email account. Okay, and confirm here. Now continue to Hugging Face. Now let's return to LTX 2.5. Let's go here. Where is my LTX? Search for LTX 2.5. Okay, this is LTX 2.5. Okay. To use, you have to create this agree and access. Now let's try to download those files. Let's go here. Choose models. Okay. As you can see, the problem is fixed. The LTX 2.5 model is started downloading. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this.